Hey guys, this is a first look of Oppo R15 Dream Mirror Edition. The Oppo R15 Dream Mirror features a 6.28-inch OLED Super View full-screen display that features a notch at the top. It offers a Full HD Plus resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19 by 9. It delivers a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. The Snapdragon 660 chipset is present under the hood of the Oppo R15. The SoC is supported by 6 GB of RAM, and it includes 128 GB of storage. For more storage, users can make use of up to 256 GB of microSD card on the device. It receives power from 3400 mAh battery that carries support for fast charging technology. It is running on ColorOS 5.0, flavored Android 8.1. A fingerprint scanner is present on the backside of the Oppo R15 Dream Mirror Edition. The R15 Dream Mirror Edition have dual camera setup, which includes a 16-megapixel Sony IMX519 sensor and a secondary 20-megapixel sensor. The dual cameras offer features like bokeh effect, AI scene recognition, HDR, and EIS. For snapping selfies, it features AI Smart Beauty enabled, front-facing camera of 20-megapixel sensor that can 296 individual facial features to capture amazing portrait shots. The AI Wisdom Beauty can be used for snapping enhanced group selfies. The Oppo 15 Dream Mirror, that features a 3D glass rear, will be hitting the market in colors like red and ceramic black. The red variant will be carrying a price tag of 3,299 yuan, $520, and the ceramic black will be arriving with a costlier price tag of 3,499 yuan, $552.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.